I have this little Toro Recycler and I just couldn't get it going. So I tried a new spark plug and that didn't get it going. So what I found out was that at the bottom of my carburetor you have a bolt that holds it in place. And then that bolt, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got that little tiny pinhole right there. So that has to be cleaned out. And then right down the middle in there is another tiny little hole. And that little hole right there was plugged. So what I did was I got a wire brush and a pair of needle nose pliers, and I took one piece of the brush off and I put it on my pliers like that, and I needed something really tiny, and I put it down through that hole which was plugged, put the plug back in, and it started right up, and I just used the lawnmower for an hour and it ran great. So that is the way to get your lawnmower running.